Today we are going to talk about light. Okay. In the discussion of light, we will see all this. Okay. We will see all this. We will understand all this. Okay. About all this. As you can see here, beam light travels along a straight line and deeply as much as possible will be possible to understand by us. Okay. So before this discussion, I wanted to tell a little information you can say about electricity and circuit. Okay, because in previous lecture we understood about electricity and circuit. This was our topic, and uh, inside this topic we tried to understand about this. So again, I want to say you. mm, let's understand a little information about electricity and circuit. Circuit and one second, electricity. This is other discussion, but before this discussion, we are going to try uh, discussing about electricity and circuit. So, electricity. I ask you, what will be definition? What will definition of electricity be? First of all, here we need to be clear. Difference between electricity and current, not circuit. I am saying difference between electricity. What are difference between electricity and current? Most of you would say current is electricity. Electricity is current. Both the meaning is the same. Okay. Whatever we wanted to use word, it's a depend on us. Okay. If we use a word electricity, then it is correct. But whereas instead of this, uh, we use what a current, which means same meaning. Okay. So it depends on us. Electricity. So it is electricity is chemical storage, and chemical storage is found inside the battery, inside the cell, and inside the cell. Okay, uh, inside the transformer. So chemical storage uh, is that which provide current, which provide electricity. Okay, so it will act like a magnet. What I'm saying, electricity will act like a magnet. How does magnet work? Magnet work. Magnet wanted to attract uh, something named iron. Magnet will not be able to attract insulator products, plastic materials. Okay, magnet can attract only iron materials. Okay, only iron materials instead of plastic material, wood material. All this will not be will not be attracted by magnet. So magnet attracts the iron material. Similar, electricity electricity works like a magnet. Electricity will connect with other electric conductors. Okay, I will come on the discussion of electric conductors. So here is one side what iron. Here current is flowing, current is going on. So now current will connect with this easily, because the work of this is to connect with electric conductors such as iron, copper, silver. So this flowing current will will connect with this electric conductor. So current is what? Uh, follows current follows what? Current follows from one place to another place, from one place to the other device, electric device. So current flows. electricity flows current. Okay. How can you define about electricity? Do you have do you have Yeah, chemical storage is found inside the battery. So here chemical storage will follow, which means electricity. So electricity, work of electricity is provide what current is to provide current. Clearly. So it will work. It will follow. Okay, it will follow. Current will follow. Clearly. So today, in our day to daily life, we use electricity, but we use electricity in direct way, not a direct way. For example, we want to we switch on, we switch on uh, to the bulb. So here, electricity is provided, is being provided. Electricity is being provided uh, throughout the circuit of bulb from switch to the bulb. Here, this circuit throughout this circuit is being flowed. Electricity is being flowed. Okay, electricity is being flowed. Uh, in our working, we see uses of electricity. Bulb glow ups because of electricity. Light is incomplete without electricity, and yeah, electricity is used in a lot of work, not only for bulb. No, it is used for fan, as we see in our room. It is used to glow up a bulb. It is used in inverter, refrigerator, uh, in a lot of work. We can't explain all those uh, uses of electricity, all those materials that are being used electricity as a electricity. Clear? So here importance of it is more. Okay. Now uh, let's move on. Mm. Cell, electricity cell, electric cell. You can say electric cell, electric cell. It's time to define about this word, electric cell. So it is a small in size. If we will talk about electric cell, so it will be a small. And if we are saying it is a small in size, which means this will have power less as compared to battery. So this cell will have less capacity to keep inside this wood chemical storage. So it is a small way now, and it is one. It is one. Why am I saying it is one? So here we are talking about only one. Okay, only one electric cell. Uh, to define about all this, whatever is possible to discuss about electric cell. So here it is used. It is used for normal device. For a normal device. Okay, and it has a two terminal. Through practical example, we can understand. This is electricity, so it is one. Okay, it is one. So here metal cap. This is cap, but it is made by copper, by metal. That's why it is named metal cap. This is metal cap, and it gives us indicate about what positive positive terminal, positive terminal. Got it? And here we see disc cap, metal disc. You can say metal disc, which means flat, like this flat. Okay, it is capped, but it is flat. It is a disc, but it is made by metal. That's why it is said metal cap. So this gives us an indication about negative terminal, about negative terminal. So I hope we are clear till here about the terminal, terminals of the cell. Okay, and all like this, whether they are whether they are mm, say, but in any case, we see what are two terminals, a positive terminal and negative terminal. Clear? So this here wire is connected. So this wire will be known as positive wire. So this positive wire will be connected to the next cell with a negative terminal of the next cell. Clear? Whereas it will be connected with the positive terminal to the next cell. Clear? Here we don't see same connected terminal, same, which means positive. This will not work. Okay, this it will not work. It won't work. Clear? So here, whenever we are trying to connect, we are whenever we are trying to connect more cells. So we need to focus that positive terminal wire will be one side of a cell, but this positive terminal wire will be connected with the next cell with that negative terminal wire. Clearly. So this was what important point to understand. If we connect this terminal with the same terminal, then this won't work. Clear? This won't work. So as we discussed, by this, here we can write in the definition of electric cell. Here it has two terminals. It has two terminals. First, positive terminal, negative terminal. Here, positive terminal and negative terminal. Inside this is found a chemical stored, as I was telling you. So inside this is chemical stored, and this chemical stored work to provide electricity. Okay, if a chemical storage is end, then this will not work to provide electricity. Clear? We can get this we can get a charge this battery by option to get a charge this battery. If there is option and with this electricity to get this charge, then we can produce by getting charge this electricity. What we can produce chemical storage by getting charge. Clear? So here we can see chemical storage is found inside the electric cell. Which provides which provides electric current, which provides electricity, which provides electricity. Clear? It has less power and is one. Clear? That's it about electricity. Now we are moving to next point. I hope we are clear about it. Battery. About battery. Okay. This is a diagram of a battery. Clear. This will indicate about this will indicate to the positive terminal. One side will be positive terminal, positive terminal, and second side will be print that will discuss about negative terminal. Okay. Negative terminal, negative terminal. Clear. So also inside this found what a chemical storage. But a battery has more capacity to keep chemical storage. Okay, that's why it is said what a battery has more power, and also it is that's why it is used to advance devices. Okay, so this will not be able to provide electricity in advanced devices, but it will be able to provide electricity uh, for the advanced devices. Clear? So here we can write like this. It is used in a normal devices and it also has two terminals, similar positive terminal, negative terminal. Uh, Here on the battery is found on the battery is found printed text that is positive and negative terminal. So chemical storage is found inside the battery. So this more chemical storage that explains it it has a more chemical storage. Okay, and it has a more what power. Clear? That's it. We don't need again similar like this. We can write about discuss of this. Okay, as I just told you. So once again, we can say it. It is a is a group. It is a collection of cells. It is a group. It is a group of cells. We can say this chemical storage will be considered as what 10, 12, 15 cells, electric cells. That's why it is said what it is considered a group of cells. Okay, so it is one, but it is a group of, it is a collection of cells. Clear? Let's move to the next discussion. Next will be what electric circuit. Next is electric circuit. Electric circuit. Can you tell me about little information of this? Here we are using a circuit word. So it is explaining, it is discussing about road, a path. Okay, a path. You can say a road. This is, but we are going to use this word in the context of electricity. So let's see what will be meaning of circuit uh, in the discussion of electricity. So here, I think before this discussion, uh, we just need to look about filament, about what bulb. Do you know? What do you think? What do you think if I say explain about filament of a bulb? What would you like to say? So filament, okay, filament and discussion of bulb. Okay, discussion of bulb. We can uh, talk about it together. Okay, we can discuss about it together. Clear? So it is what this is a bulb. Clear? I hope you are clear. This is bulb. Just to understand, uh, I won't say that it is a exact diagram of a bulb. Okay, just to understand. So here, like this we see, and like this we see. So it is a terminal. Okay, to connect a wire. It is. These are terminals to connect a wire. So one side is connected with the wire, and the other side is connected with the other wire. Clear? So we wanted to know about the filament. Inside this bulb, filament is found. So this covered wire is a filament. This curved wire is filament. So it will tell us what when when will bulb glow up, when will bulb glow up, and when will bulb not glow up. So it's all about filament inside the bulb. If a connection of wire is well, okay, with this and from this and to the electric device. So here filament, this is curved wire. Clear? If curved filament is found, if filament inside the bulb is found broken, then this bulb will not grow. And whereas this is wet, then okay, it will grow. We can say what it is broken. Filament is broken. We can say filament is broken. So here, this bulb will be known as a fuse bulb. Okay, fuse bulb. Clear. So it is being considered because it is being considered. Once again, it is a, it is being considered as a fuse bulb because inside the bulb is found a curved wire, broken curved wire, broken filament. That's why it is considered as a fuse bulb. Clear. So here we have understood that when can we say that a bulb is a fuse bulb? When can we say? About it we understood. Clear? And about filament inside the water we discussed. So inside the bulb is found what a gas, a named gas. I don't know terms. I don't know clearly. Okay. So I think we are clear. Filament. We can write like this: filament is found is seen inside the bulb. Filament will explain about glowing a bulb. If a filament is found broken inside the bulb, then bulb will not glow up. But whereas filament is well, then bulb will glow up. Clear? Filament is bigger like curved wire. Filament is wire like a curved wire. Clear? Inside the bulb is found a named gas, but I don't know clearly. And inside the bulb is found curved wire. Filament is found inside the bulb. Clearly? So fuse bulb will be considered there when uh, broken when broken curved wire will be found inside the water, then bulb will be considered as a fuse bulb. Like this we can write. I hope we are clear. Now we can discuss about the electric circuit, because we are clear about the discussion of a filament and bulb. It was compulsory to understand about it. It was compulsory to discuss it, uh, to understand about it clearly. Clear? I hope it's a time to understand about it. So here, this is a circuit. Okay, this is a circuit. Inside this is throughout this circuit will be connected, in which you will be what bulb, electric device, electric cell, electric or electric battery, switch. Okay, these are minimum things. These are minimum material to explain electric circuit. Clear? This is a cell. This is a cell. Okay. This is a cell. And here, this is a bulb. Here is a switch. This is electric switch, and this is a electric cell, and this is a bulb. Now it is a complete circuit. That is a discussion about electric circuit. So try to understand. Let's try to understand deeply. Okay. Let's suppose here we are looking broken wire. Now, now tell me, will this uh, will this circuit will this circuit electric circuit will be able to glow up this bulb? No, because of here we are looking broken wire. So here circuit electricity is not able to go to this electric device, to this bulb. So here electricity is uh, is coming out from this side and will be till here, and from this side electricity is going on, and like this is going on, and then will enter inside this bulb, then through this filament will enter, will pass, and then like this will come out, then will stay till here. So here we can see this is not going after till this complete here. So electricity will stay till here, not will go here, uh, not will be able to pass this gap blank area, blank area. Clear? So from this battery, electricity will come out, then till here will stay. Wherever we see our broken wire, so bulb will not blow up. Clear? This wire is connecting wire is well, but filament curved wire is broken. Now can you tell me, will this bulb blow up? No, absolutely no. So something is wrong, something is wrong with this circuit. So it will explain that bulb will not blow up. Clear? So there should not be any wrong with this electric circuit. Then this bulb will be able to blow up. Clear? Similar electric switch, about electric switch. Switch that helps to protect us to contact from contact the net wire from contact the electrician from contact the current. So electric switch can help in many ways. Okay, it is so here interesting point is it is made by a plastic. That's why it is able to protect us. Okay, switch is that is switched on, then bulb will glow up. If we switch off, if we switch off, if we switch off, if switch is if a switch is if we switch off, then bulb will not glow. Here we can see broken wire. When switch is on position of okay, then clear. When switch is on position on, then this will connect with another wire. Right? Okay, this broken wire will connect with another wire. Then this bulb glow up. Then this bulb glow up. We were discussing about electric switch. Now I have to be clear. So here, as I was telling you, electric switch is made by a plastic. So now we are coming on the discussion of electric insulators and electric insulators and uh, conductors, electric conductors, electric conductors. So those materials which allow to pass the current through them are known as electric conductors. Clear? For example, iron, copper, silver, all these are examples. That is a discussion about electric conductor. So it this types of materials will allow this types of materials will attract to electricity. Okay, to electricity. Whereas insulators, those materials which will not allow to pass the electricity through them. Clear? Through them. These materials are named electric insulators. Electric insulators. Are electric insulators. If we put here what this marker, then electricity is still here, till here, and other side electricity is stay till here. Okay, so this marker is not giving allow to pass this electricity through them. Clear? Through them. That's it. I think we should move on the discussion of this. On the discussion of this, it is enough to understand about electric current and it. Now, can you tell me a bit information, a little information about beam? Here, if we discuss about beam, then on the other side, a word will come out. What a uh, ray, ray. So, what are the difference between uh, what are difference between ray and beam? Can you tell me what are difference between ray and beam? Ray that explains about sunlight, but it will be in one way. Okay, in one way. Like lighter. So lighter we see what a small light, a small light, and whereas we see what collection of rays. So this is one, but here we see like this what a lot of ray. So beam is what a collection of ray. As we were discussing, uh, in the discussion of electric cell and a battery. So electric cell is one, uh, whereas if we talk about battery, then battery has a collection of cells. Similar here, ray is one, ray is a light, light is one, light is going in one only in one direction. But whereas beam is going in one direction, but with a lot of rays, with a lot of rays. So like this, we see what figure of light of a beam. Clear? But here, if we draw figure of ray light, then like this way. This is one, but here we see what collection of a beam. So this was here we can write what beam. It has a collection of rays, rays, ray, which means one light in a direction. Clear? In two sentences, we discussed about beam and about bearing. Light travels along a straight line. It is the same. Light travels in a straight line. So here, whenever we say these words, then in our mind, can come about activity. This is flame candle, flame candle. This is candle, but candle is burning. That's why it is named flame candle. Clear? Now we want to see this flame candle through pipe, through pipe. Clear? Now our eyes will be able. Now our eyes is here. Our eyes be able to see the flame candle? You would say, yeah, our eyes like this can see. So it is happening because of it is possible to see the flame candle by the help of a pipe, by the help of a pipe, a straight pipe. So it is possible because of light is traveling, light light is traveling in a straight line. Light should go, light should go through this pipe. Then we can see flame candle. Light should travel in a straight line inside this pipe. Then we can see flame candle. If there is a darker inside the pipe, then we can't see flame candle. Clear? So here we are able to see the flame candle because of light is traveling in a straight line. Like this light is going on. Okay, to till here. So here, that's why we can say flame candle. Uh, Whereas we are discussing about this words. So here, okay, it is possible to say the flame candle because it is happening because of light is traveling in a straight line. So when will it be possible? When will it be possible? Uh, when will it be possible to say that we can't see flame candle? Light is that we can say that light is not traveling in a straight line. So when will it be possible? So let's understand about that points. Point. Okay. So here we are going to understand. We are going to understand about light is not traveling in straight line. Clear? So here this is pipe, but this is not in straight line. Clear? This is a bent pipe. This is bent pipe. This is what bent pipe. Now our eyes is here. Our eyes is here. Now can you tell me? Can we see? Now can we see this flame candle? No. It is impossible to see the flame candle. How can we see? How can we see? This is bent. We can see only till here. Okay, by this help, by this pipe. Only till here we will be able to see. But after this we will not be able to see. How can we see? No. And light is traveling only. Light is not traveling in straight line. Okay, that's why. Light is going on like this. Then it will reflect like this. But our eyes will not see this flame candle. Clear? Will not see this flame candle. Okay. So light is traveling in what in first for few minutes light is traveling in straight line, then it will turn into another direction. That's all. So overall we can say light is not traveling in a straight line, and that's why our eyes also is not able to see the flame candle. And also this is pipe is bent, that's why it is not our eyes is not able to see the flame candle clearly. So it was a discussion of light travels along a straight line. Clear? So here we can say it is easy. It is easy as we discussed through this example. Through this example, let's understand about a reflection of light. Can we see a reflection of a object? Can we see a reflection of a building? Yeah, it is easy. But in front of around the building, around the object should be a object that should be placed shining. Then it will be possible to see the reflection of a object. So here I am saying around the object should be placed shining material. Then okay. Mm, so this is a building. Clear? Here we see what a dam of water. We see here dam of water. So now immediately we are like this going to their school. Okay, to their school. So we are here. We come to the here. Then our eyes see this image of this building inside the water. So we are shocked. We are shocked to see the image of a building inside the water. So now our mind ask question. Our mind ask question to ourselves. How is it possible? We are looking image of a building inside the water, and here two are even, but inside the water is a duplicate. Okay, So this is not a camera. Okay, how is it possible in our mind? Would keep a communication. Would keep a communication. So about it, that's the point we are going to discuss. So it is happening because of a reflection of light. Okay, try to understand. All this is happening because of reflection of light. So here's sunlight. There is a sunlight. Okay, clear. So light is falling on this surface, on the surface of a building. So it is not a reflection light. Now this will turn into another direction. Now this light that is falling on the surface of a building will turn into another direction. So this changes light direction. That explains about a reflection of light. Okay, this is a reflection of light. This is a description of a reflection light. Reflection of light. Clear? So here our light is falling on this building. Now it is turning. So our uh, that's why it is uh, uh, all this is that's why mm, light is going with the image of this building inside the water. Clear? Inside the water. So changes of direction light of direction light of direction light. Clear? Mm. Let's understand through another example. Through another example. Another example. A reflection of light. Clear? We comb our hair in to see the what mirror. We see our image inside the mirror. Can you tell me how is it possible to see the image of our inside the mirror? How is it possible? After this discussion, you would say we can see our image inside the in the mirror because of light is traveling in straight line. So light is falling in straight line on where on mirror on surface of a mirror. This light will turn into another direction. So this coming to turn into another direction will fall on us. That's why that's why our image our image is formed by the mirror because light is falling on surface of mirror will turn into another direction that is falling on me. That's why my image is being formed in the mirror. Clear? In the mirror. So changes of direction. Changes of direction light. Here changes of direction light. Light is falling. Light is falling. Light is falling on the surface of a mirror will turn into another direction. Into another direction that will fall on a woman. Here, mirror is a park object. That's why. That's why. Uh, it happens like this. Light is turning into another direction. That's why. Clear? That's why. So this was the definition of reflection of light in a written form. Uh, in a written form. I hope we are clear now. No? Image, object in the mirror. We see inside the mirror. We see inside the mirror. So whatever we are looking, images inside the mirror. So those are images. Those images are being formed by the reflection of light. Okay. So whatever we see inside the mirror, so those are images of objects. Clear? So duplicate image will be image. Object we are. Object is in a real. Object is original. Okay. Object is original object. Clear? So object will be in front of a mirror and images will be inside the mirror. Clear? Erect. What is meaning of erect? What is meaning of erect? Can you explain? Erect which explains it is saying mm, my distance in front of a mirror is around 15 centimeter. Similar inside the mirror, my image will be will be around 15 similar same 15 centimeter from the mirror. So distance is the same. Our image is the same. We don't see changes in size and in meter in distance. This is a description of a erect. Clear? But opposite side of a object would be in a left or in a right. Okay. I can explain it in another way. Whenever we see our image in the mirror, our image size of our image in the mirror will be equal as we are in size. Clear? And our distance from the mirror in front of mirror is 15 centimeters. Similar in the mirror inside the mirror, uh, distance between mirror and image will be 15 centimeter. Clear? We understood the 2 points about the size and about the distance. Clear? Uh, yeah, opposite side of the object. Now I am like this. I am like this in front of mirror. Uh, I am raising. I am raising what left hand. So now inside the mirror, this will be this can be seen. This hand can be seen in a right side. Okay, in the right side. Similar, if we raise right hand, then inside the mirror can be seen what this hand will be in the left side. So like this, what happened? Okay. So it was about discussion of erect. Yeah. ambulance. Why what is written here ambulance? Why is the word written ambulance? Because it will explain about the erect. So we see in stage we see written ambulance word in opposite. Okay, in opposite. So that uh, driver of the vehicle can see by using side mirror of that vehicle will be able to see the ambulance word in a right way. So our side mirror can what can convert the uh, strange word into a right way. If a word is like this in front of a side mirror, then our word will be seen inside the side mirror. What in a strange manner, in a strange manner. So we will come on the discussion of ambulance. Why like this is happening? Why is like this happening? This is happening because of convex, convex mirror, convex mirror, and also in any mirror, not only convex mirror. Playing with spherical mirrors. Let's come on the discussion of types of mirrors, concave and convex mirror. So a spherical shape is like this. Okay, is like this. Now we cut this spherical shape by the help of knife. Let's suppose this is a football. Okay, so we cut like this. Okay, we cut like this. Now we will get shape of this spherical like this and like this. So this concave, this is a painted area. This is a concave. This is a shape of a concave. So it is a description of a concave mirror, clear concave mirror, because it is the same like the shape of a concave, and it is a convex because side of this is upper is on upper side. Clear. So this is a painted area. Okay, one point. Keep this one point in your mind. What this is pointed area. Okay. So this cave is explaining about concave mirror, and whereas this shape, upper surface of a spherical is explaining about convex mirror, But lower inside a shape of a spherical is explaining about a convex concave mirror. Clear? This is convex. This is a concave. Clear? It's a time to write concave mirror. Concave mirror cover. Concave mirror that is used by doctors to see the tiny materials. Okay, it helps to see the objects in a larger form. That's why it is used in work of doctors. And in other words, where we want to say the small images in large form, then it will be better to see to use the concave mirror. Okay, and images of object inside the concave mirror will be large, will be inverted. Clear? Convex mirror. A lot of area are covered by the convex mirror. Convex mirror is able to cover a lot of area. That's why convex mirror is used in traffic places to cover a lot of area. So it can give a real image and a real image. So real image, which means some distance. Okay, some distance. And in the convex mirror, in the convex mirror, images of objects, images of objects will be in a small form, in a small size. That's why it is able to cover a lot of area. Clear? Concave lenses and convex lenses together it let's try to understand. Concave lens and convex lens. Can you tell me something about it? Uh, as we discussed in the discussion of a concave mirror and convex mirror, all this mirror will be opaque object. Okay, uh, we can see our image of the object inside this mirror because of behind behind the mirror. Behind the mirror is the same what painted area. That's why it is considered as a opaque object. But whereas convex lenses will be transparent object. Clear? This lenses will be transparent object. First of all, this is point to understand. So here, concave lens and convex lens. Convex lens, yeah, and details. Shape of concave lens. Okay, how is the shape of a concave lens? Concave lens. So convex. So this area is the same. What this area is the same. What this area same thinker. This area same. This area is the same thicker, not thin. Middle this shape, middle this lens will be thin. Will be thin. Will be thin more than the end edge of this lens. Clear? So middle. Middle at the middle at this lens will be thin. No, will be thinker. Will be thicker. Thicker, which means like this, widely. This lens is thicker at middle place of this. Clear? End of this is edges edges is and is what thin. Clear? Whereas this lens is thin at middle place position. Middle position. Okay. Thin of this and edges of this is thicker. So this is image of convex and this is image of concave lens. Concave lenses. Clear? So here it is explaining about it is saying that at the middle position of this is what thicker and end edges of this is thin. Now lights beam of lights a spread will fall like this on this. Clear? And it will fall on object in one way. You can say this convex lens will cover converging lens. Converging will this convex lens cover a lot of lights and and falls on a object in a one way instead of spreading. Clear? That's why it is said what converging lens because it covers a lot of lights. You can see lights are coming like this, and by this will be covered this lights, and then after converging will fall on a object in a one way. We used to play in our childhood with the magnifying material. So in our hand is what a piece of paper magnifying like this we used to keep in front of what sunlight so that sunlight can fall on magnifying. Then this sunlight focus on a one point, and after a few minutes piece of paper will get burned. Will get one burned. Will burn. Okay. So all this happening because of a lot of lights is being converging by convex lenses. and all this covering lenses lights is falling in a one way. So all power is being focused on a one point. That's why in few minutes, uh, page piece of paper takes a few minutes to burn to self to themselves. Clear? Whereas light is uh, light is emitting. Light is coming out from one point. It is used in a torch device. Light is falling from one side. From one side, it will spread like this. It will spread like this. Clear? So it concave lens diverge diverge lens diverge the lights. Okay, light will come out from one side and then by the help of a concave lens will spread in a lot of direction. I hope you are clear. I hope you are clear. Rainbow prism. Do you know about the colors of a rainbow? We see rainbow when after rain. After rain, we see rain. So rainbow will be present in opposite of sunlight. Light of sunlight will be low. Then rainbow, then it will be possible to see the rainbow. Okay. So rainbow will be present in front uh, in front of sunlight, and lights of sunlight will be low. All this is a process to see the rainbow, to come out rainbow. So rainbow has a lot of colors, but as there was discovered that it has minimum seven lights. Red, as far as I know, red, orange, orange, yellow, red, orange, yellow, uh, green, blue, indigo. Indigo. About indigo color, I don't know completely, but indigo color is it is a set. Okay. So here 4 to 6 and 1. Can you tell me? Green, blue, white, white. Am I right? Green, blue, indigo, white. It is said that sun has one color, uh, white. So white, which explains all these colors, all these colors. So sun is rotating. Sun is rotating. That's why sun is named white. It is not said a lot of time, but it is named. It is said what sun has a white light. Okay, because uh, sun is rotating fastly, rotating. Clear? Rainbow. So like this we see rainbow. So here we see color of like this. This shape will be like arc. Okay, arc. This is the shape of arc. Clear? This is the shape of arc. It contains seven colors. All those are these. Clear? Prism. Similar. This is prism, and this is one light. Light, white light is falling on this prism, and this white light will emit through this prism into into seven colors seven colors, which are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, white. So one light is falling on prism, and this through this is coming out with seven colors. With seven colors. With the seven colors. Please. I hope now we are clear. Are we clear? We are clear. As far as we wanted to discuss, I hope about all this we have discussed. I think that's all. Whatever we